Hello, beautiful people. Today is a simple and easy banana cake on Solishai's cuisine. And before we continue with this cake, if you haven't subscribed yet on my channel, please kindly do so and click on the notification bell. And if you are a new subscriber here, you're welcome to the family. So for this recipe, we'll need 2 overripe bananas, butter, some sugar, milk, flour, some eggs, and some baking powder, baking soda, nutmeg for flavor, which you can replace with any other thing of your choice. First, mix all the dry ingredients together. After mixing the dry ingredients together and set aside, in a bowl, mash the bananas until soft. At this point, the banana is really soft. The next, you add your sugar, your butter, your eggs, and mix all together. Be sure to find measurements of ingredients in the description box below. So be sure to mix everything properly until it is well combined, after which you will add up the dried ingredients into the wet mixture and mix all together properly until well combined and smooth. So here everything is well mixed and you can see the texture. Next, put it in the cake pan which has been coated with some butter and some flour so that the cake will not stick to the pan. And then put it in a preheated oven on 180-degree Fahrenheit and bake for 40 to 45 minutes. So beautiful people, the cake is ready. The only thing left out is to be served with some tea or coffee. If you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give your girl a thumbs up, share, and be sure to try this recipe and leave a comment below. And until I see you in my next video, stay safe, keep loving each other, and remember the love of God is the greatest gift of mankind. Bye bye.